What is up, everybody? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to steal your competition's customers. Before we get into that, though, I do want to mention that if you guys want to learn how to land jobs like this using Facebook ads, check out the first link in the comment section and the description. That is going to be a link to the Local Domination course, the #1 selling pressure washing business course in the world. Also, if you guys are looking for some one-on-one coaching or want to be a part of a private group or get free courses, check out the second link in the comment section description. That is a group with myself, Mike Vidan, Cody Yarbrough, and Aaron Parker, where we do bi-weekly coaching calls and basically have this awesome group. Now, it's currently closed, but if you guys do want to be a part of it, click the link. You can sign up with a form, and we are actually going to be opening for about 24 hours here really soon. So if some of you've been thinking about getting into, check it out. Second link in the comment section description. With all that out of the way, though, let's go ahead and hop into today's video: how to steal your competition's customers. Now, the idea for this video came about one day whenever I needed a haircut. So I tried to call and schedule an appointment with the lady that typically cuts my hair, and she was booked out for about a week. And because I really needed a haircut, I had an event coming up, I had to go with another stylist. And that got me thinking, the lady that I typically use wasn't available, so I had to go with the next best option. And I've actually had circumstances where this has happened before, and I've liked the second best option more than the person who typically cuts my hair. Like, I've changed stylists a couple different times, and this was one of those scenarios that happened. I couldn't get to the person who usually cuts my hair. I tried somebody else and they were actually better, so I've just gone with that person from there on out. So something that we can learn and we can take away from this is there's a few different ways that we can steal our competition's customers, and one of those ways is being available for our customer when the competition isn't, and then providing a better service and a better experience for that customer whenever we do offer them the service. Because like I said, this has happened a couple different times. I've had to change the person who cuts my hair. I got a better service from someone else because the other person wasn't available, and I ended up swapping the person who cuts my hair. So I've also heard a statistic that says 80% of customers go with the first person who sends them a quote, meaning as long as we can be the first quote that they receive, 8 out of 10 times they are going to go with us. So a way that we can set ourselves apart from the competition as well as steal the competition's customers is we can answer the phone when people call, and then we can get them a quote as fast as possible. One way we can do this is by utilizing remote quoting, but by doing that, we are going to put ourselves in the best position to steal that customer from any of our competition. The next thing that we can do to steal our competition's customer is to simply call them back. So if a customer reaches out to you, it's so important to try and respond as quickly as possible, but it's also just important to respond in general. You guys would be surprised at how many companies get calls and they haven't set up the systems in place to be able to handle the call volume and get back with every single customer that calls. And because of that, people actually thank me for how quickly I'm able to get back with them, and just the fact that I got back with them at all, because they've messaged a couple of other companies, never heard anything back. So the third way to steal your competition's customers is just to call them back in general, right? So obviously another way that we can steal our competition's customers is to deliver on what you and the customer have agreed upon. You need to try to do the best job for every single customer that you can. Obviously that's something that we always try to do, but the last way to steal your competition's customers is to take care of the customers that you have, meaning do a good job, get reviews, and keep up with every single customer every single year, because recurring customers are the lifeblood of any business. And if you can build up enough recurring customers to fill up a year, you don't even have to worry about stealing anyone else's customers, because you'll have more work than you even know what to do with. So if you made it this far in the video, comment down below customers and I'll hashtag you a real one. Kind of a short one today, but I wanted to share this idea with you guys. If you guys are interested in any of those links I mentioned before, check out the comment section and the description. If you guys have any questions, leave those down in the comment section. But my name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed, and until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace.